So if you want to change your name in League of Legends, then this is the right video for you, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and what to pay attention to. Alright, so first of all, it's important for you to know that there are two different names inside of League of Legends. There's the username, and then there's the summoner's name, which shows up in-game. So you probably want to change your summoner's name. So in order to do that, from the League of Legends client, you want to click on the store right here. And then you want to click up here on your account. And then here you want to scroll down until you find this summoner name change. As you can see, it costs either 1,300 RP or 13,900 BE. So yeah, you would click on that and then you would enter your desired name. And you can check it and then you can purchase it down here. And obviously you're going to make sure that you do not have any name that is deemed offensive or anything like that, because then the change will be reverted. And yeah, so I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and comment down below if it helped. Thanks for watching. Bye.